Do Not Worry, the podcast. And just a quick highlight, we have some of the sweetest patrons on the planet. One of our patrons, Lizzie, offered to like start a clips channel for us, just to like take clips from the from the episodes and like just upload them to a separate channel. We used to upload clips on the channel, but I kind of stopped because I felt like they weren't getting enough views and it was extra work for the interns to do like extra thumbnails, extra editing. I was like, screw it. But Lizzie was like, hey, he's like, I'll do it for you guys for free. I was like, I really don't feel comfortable having anyone work for free, but thank you for the offer, Lizzie. And Saad, another one of our patrons, offered to do subtitles because she's like, I don't like these AI subtitles you're using. She's like, I'm down to help you guys for free.
We hate them too, for real.
I'm like, again, look, we got people on the subtitles, but if it gets too difficult, we might tag team sort of Saad into.
If I remember correctly, I think Lizzie used to clip H3 channel.
He used to clip H3, exactly. Like he used to make H3 clips, which is crazy. Like someone who used to make an unofficial H3 clips channel now is offering to make clips for us.
Wow.
This is insane. This is all insane. But yeah, you guys are really the best patrons. We love you guys so much. Thank you for your support. It really means more than you guys know. And speaking of fans and loving you guys, we got some fans that we want to thank because they've sent some fan art. So Amr Malouf, a young man, I believe, he sent this to Elijah on Instagram. Let me pull this up. He has recreated the Do Not Worry logo. It looks like chalk art. I'm not sure. It looks beautiful. He even has a pair of boxing gloves hanging on the side in honor of me, obviously the greatest boxer in Lebanon. I'm kidding. There's even a Kung Fu master on the D right there, probably in honor of our friend Kung Fu Jesus. Is that Leopold right here? Is there a cat on the...
Yeah, I think it is.
That might be Leopold right here. That might be my little kitty cat. Beautiful artwork. Thank you, Amr, so much.
Yeah, it's really nice. I just love the lettering. I love it, yeah.
I don't think it's chalk. I think that's the texture of the paper.
Yeah, I think it's crayon, maybe?
Could be crayon.
Yeah.
It looks beautiful. Looks very nice. And speaking of beautiful artwork and fan work and stuff, Lizzie, one of our beloved patrons who was all the way from South Africa. He used to manage his own H3 Clips channel. He offered to do the same for us. He even made us, folks, this little track. I'm just going to play a few seconds of it. It's so fun. This is going to become our new outro track. Do not worry. Elijah, turn it up, play a few seconds of this for everyone to hear, and then cut back to the episode because it's super, super dope. I love the vibes. Lizzie, thank you so much. This is our brand new...
It's so much fun.
This is our brand new outro track, my man. I love it.
We listened to it before we filmed.
Yeah, I played this before we started the episode to kind of get us in the right mood, right vibe, so we love it. You guys are amazing. Again, thank you so much.
Do not worry.